Welcome to our channel where we dive into everything you need to know to verify your DesignCrowd designer account quickly, and smoothly verifying your DesignCrowd designer account is essential to establish credibility and start receiving high-quality job invitations. The process is straightforward, but requires careful attention to detail to avoid delays or complications. First, log into your DesignCrowd account and navigate to the Profile Verification section. Here, you'll find options to submit personal information and identity documents. Prepare a clear and valid government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license, which will be required to prove your identity. Make sure the scanned image or photo is legible and not cropped. Next, you will need to provide additional details like your full name, address, and possibly a payment method to confirm your identity further. Submit these documents as per the on-screen instructions. After uploading, it's important to review everything to ensure accuracy before final submission because discrepancies can cause your application to be rejected. DesignCrowd typically reviews verification requests within a few business days, so patience is key. During this time, avoid submitting multiple requests as this can cause confusion. Once your account is verified, you'll receive a confirmation notification, and your profile will display a verified badge to potential clients. This enhances your professional image and increases your chances of securing projects. Remember, maintaining up-to-date information and following the platform's guidelines helps keep your account in good standing and ready for new opportunities at any time. By following these steps carefully, you guarantee a seamless verification experience that boosts your trustworthiness in the competitive freelance marketplace. Don't rush through the process. Accuracy and patience truly pay off when confirming your designer identity on DesignCrowd.